I Spy video by the ambassadors.
Mrs. J's kindergarten classroom.
The students are quietly talking and following Miss J's directions.
Mrs. Lewis' bathroom session.
Here they are lining up to take a bathroom break. Here they are quietly walking down to take a bathroom break. Here, they are following the bathroom expectations by keeping their body in control and being quiet.
Mrs. Emerson's bathroom session. In this clip, notice Miss Emerson's class is being good and following directions at the bathroom. Miss Vukalich's gym session. Here, Miss Vukalich's class is doing a fantastic job using self-control while practicing for the push-up test.
Mr. Schumacher's library session. Here, you can see they are respectfully following directions and paying attention to Miss Brimacombe.